Are you looking? In recent years, the beauty world has seen a surge in the popularity of heated eyelash curlers, and for good reason. Unlike traditional curlers, heated models offer longer-lasting curls, reduced lash breakage, and salon-like results at home. Whether you're a busy professional or a glam-loving beauty enthusiast, this guide breaks down the best options based on heat-up time, design, temperature control, battery life, and ease of use. List 1. Heated Eyelash Curler, Type-C rechargeable with heat-sensitive silicone pad. This compact curler features a Type-C rechargeable design and a heat-sensitive silicone pad that changes color to indicate optimal temperature. Ideal for beginners and pros alike. Its mini size makes it perfect for travel, and the curved wand comfortably hugs the lash line for even curling. Heat-up time is under 10 seconds, and the gentle heat prevents lash damage while delivering long-lasting lift. The ergonomic handle ensures precise control and safe usage. Pros: fast heat-up, safe for sensitive lashes, USB-C charging. Cons: no adjustable heat levels. Best for quick, damage-free daily curling. List 2. Heated Eyelash Curler, travel size with 2 temp levels. The Do Heated Eyelash Curler is a fantastic budget-friendly tool with 2 temperature settings, making it suitable for both fine and thick lashes. The slim, travel-size design fits easily in makeup bags, and it heats up in about 8 to 10 seconds. The dual temperature modes are clearly indicated by LED lights, so you're never left guessing. The wand design allows for precise application, and it holds a curl for hours with minimal effort. Pros: adjustable heat, portable, fast heat up. Cons: battery needs frequent charging with daily use. Best for travelers and those with varying lash types. List number: Heated Eyelash Curlers, 2-in-1 clip type with LED display. This 2-in-1 clip type heated eyelash curler is a bestseller for a reason. It combines traditional clamping with modern heat tech. It features an LED display to control temperature settings precisely and heats up in under 5 seconds. The clip-style design mimics traditional curlers, but with heat-enhanced hold. Its longer battery life and intuitive button placement make it beginner-friendly while still appealing to seasoned beauty users. Pros: clip design for added lift, LED temp display, excellent hold. Cons: slightly bulky for small makeup bags. Best for users transitioning from traditional curlers to heated models. List 4. 2025 C-shaped heated eyelash curler. Fast heat up, rechargeable. The newly released 2025 C-shaped heated eyelash curler boasts a sleek C design that gently lifts lashes from root to tip. It features rapid 5-second heat up and a long-lasting rechargeable battery. The comb-like wand is especially effective for separating lashes while curling, preventing clumping. It's easy to maneuver and offers excellent results even for short or straight lashes. The curved shape also suits all eye shapes. Pros: fast heat up, comb design for definition, USB rechargeable. Cons: no temperature display. Best for short, straight lashes and everyday use. List number 5. Heated eyelash curlers with battery indicator, 3 temp modes and LED display. If you're after precision and customization, this curler with a battery indicator and 3 temperature modes delivers. It features an LED display, ensuring you always know your heat setting and battery life. The wand-style curler is easy to use, distributes heat evenly, and locks curls in place all day. Ideal for those with stubborn or thicker lashes. This curler adapts to your needs while keeping your beauty routine efficient. Pros: 3 heat modes, battery indicator, even heat distribution. Cons: slight learning curve for first-time users. Best for thick or hard-to-curl lashes.